In this video, I'm going to show you how to evenly space objects in Affinity. So the first thing you have to do, of course, when you have multiple objects, you want to select all of them, either via just dragging over them like this. You could even press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, or you could just go ahead and click on the first one, and then hold down your Shift key, and just click on each and every single one you want to evenly space. Now, after you've done that, up top, inside the Vector tab, you'll be able to see the Alignment button. Click on that, and this is where you will have to play a bit, okay? So let me show you how this works. This align horizontally is basically going to align these objects horizontally. So if I do align left, everything is going to get pushed to the left. If I do align center, everything is going to go to the center. Of course, this is the right one. And then here we have the space horizontally, which is basically going to kind of move them in a few ways. So as you can see, we can't really help ourselves with this. What you have to do here is basically first select, for example, align left, and then you can go ahead and do align vertical, which as you can see will basically put them all inside a corner. You could also do it like this or like this, which is going to put them, you pretty much get the point. You can basically set where you want them to be like this, but now they are stacked, okay? If they are stacked like this and you don't want them to be, what you can do is just click on space horizontally again, and as you can see, it's not working. And I can now put them in the middle, I can put them at the very bottom, I could go ahead and even like get them in together again, I could space them evenly again. So that's completely up to you, whatever you want to achieve here. You'll have to play around a bit to actually get the logic, and then you'll be able to go ahead and do that yourself as well, okay? Because it takes a bit of practicing, but it's essentially very, very simple. Just move this around a bit, click a few times, and you will get pretty much the mechanics of that. But that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.